What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the big green egg going here. We just lit it using our JJ George torch. Super pumped about that bad boy right there. We have a couple of beautiful Angus certified strips inside that we're going to reverse sear. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of W sauce as well as some brisket seasoning. Let that sit for a bit, throw it on, let it get up to temperature, take it off, and we're gonna caveman style right on top. Stay tuned. We've got our two New York strips here. We're gonna hit it with some of that W sauce to begin with. Come on, if I could do it one-handed. Yeah, I can. All right. Just a little bit of that W sauce. We're gonna spread it out over both strips. Yep. Love Baron Burton's W. All right. Now we're going to hit it with some of that brisket seasoning. All right. We got that brisket seasoning. And we're just going to sprinkle it right on top. And we're going to give it the old flipperoo. And we're going to do the same on the back. We have some asparagus on in the foil. We have the strips on. We have our temp spikes in. Getting them up to about 125. Remove it and sear it the rest of the way home. All right, so our white probe steak hit temp. We're gonna pull this off for a second. Our potatoes are looking nice and soft. And let's see our asparagus. Come on. Ooh, those are looking good too. Oh yeah. Squishy yet firm. I like it. All right, so I'm gonna let this steak rest for a moment. We're gonna get this one up to 125 and we'll go. All right, so both steaks are off. We removed the place setter, convector. Got this thing getting up real hot. I'm just gonna leave it open and let it breathe. Like a dragon, breathe fire, baby. I'm gonna toss those steaks on momentarily. All right, we got the flame going. One and two. Look at that. All right, look at that. Gorgeous. Let's go. We have ourselves a beautifully cooked, beautifully sliced New York strip.